Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another devlog. Before anything starts, Happy New Year's to everybody. It is now 2025, and that is something to be proud about. And my New Year's resolution, um, is to make this game to a enjoyable and playable state. That's why I'm working so hard to make these videos. But enough of that. In today's devlog, we're going to be working on the island map. Um, I ran a poll in my little Discord server. My friends voted on it, and it turns out we are going to be doing the island map. And let me just go back to the. I did do a rough draft of the island map in my testing uh, template thing. Um, Now, if you want to see me record me making the rough draft in like a time lapse, um, comment down below, because if not, I'm just gonna keep doing it like how I did the street map. But the videos will be a lot longer if you want to see the full procedure. But just gonna put that out there. Um, but yeah, the to get to the thing now. Well, let's get this back at the old map, the old island map. Okay, there we go. It looked like this. I don't think it looked too bad, but it's not what I had in mind. So this is the old one. It doesn't fit the theme as the other maps, of course, so now we gotta change it. And it's not gonna look like this. It's not. I have to show you. So let's get rid of the island, the old one. We're gonna go in my testing. We're gonna copy this, and then we're just gonna paste it into here. Here's the rough draft. I'm using the same water. Hold on. Just show you why I'm using this water. I think it's really cool. Okay. Put this up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna show you like this. So if you're standing in the water, it does a cool little effect where you can see yourself, like this little like outline thing going on here. Here, I'll show you what it looks like if you're standing in it. And just make a little platform we can stand on. Play here. There you go. You can see yourself a little submerged in the water. It's got a cool little effect going on there. I think that's pretty cool. I want to show y'all that. Found that in the toolbox because I don't know how to make that. Let me see if I can find it. I looked up cartoon water. It was the first one by Innovatement. So thank you. It looks very cool. All right. So here's the rough draft I have going on here. It's gonna be a dual layered map. The first layer obviously is where everyone's gonna spawn. They're just gonna spawn around this ring. And then we have in the middle here, we got two bridges connecting, and we have like little, like in those obbies, it's like it looks like this. You have to jump around it and whatnot. So we're gonna have that leading up to the second ring. And the reason why we got a little water patch right here is because when I do the scripting of the maps, I'm gonna have like sharks in the water, and if you fall in, they're gonna follow you around. That's if you don't make it to these little ladders right here. I put these in just to make it a little more fair. If you don't like it, just say in the comments. But we'll see when we do the scripting how fun or bad it is. But we'll have like sharks in the water here and out here, and they'll be following you around if you fall in, get hit in, whatever, and they'll get you. But right now we're not gonna be scripting. We're just gonna be making some decorations and whatnot. And I did make a notepad here. I have 8 things. I'm gonna need to. Oh, okay, maybe 8 things. I don't know if I'm gonna do this one, but we're gonna go in order. We'll just see what it looks like at the end, and I'll see if I add it or not. Okay, so it looks like the first one is add grass linings around the island. So pretty much that's just like this. These little hanging grass. Just make it have a little bit more depth. That's what I'm gonna do. So let's get right into the time lapse and start that, and I'll be right back. All right, we got the lines done. Actually, we didn't. Hold on. We'll just eyeball this. I'll speed this up a little bit. Now we got the grass linings done. So let's see what's next. Okay, that's done. All right. So we're gonna add rocks scattered around. It looks like little patches of rocks and whatnot just scattered throughout. So let's get through that. Right, we scattered some rocks around. Let's check that off. All right, now we want to add flower patches scattered around. So let's get to work on that. All right, we got some flower patches. I just kind of ripped them from the spawn that I already made. I'm gonna do the same with the grass patches. But yeah, we got our red, blue, and pink flowers scattered around on the bottom and the top. So let's see what's next. Um, okay, so let's get the grass patches. So we're just gonna copy them from our spawn and just put some grass patches around. So let's get started. Alright, we got the grass patches down. So let's see what's next. Take this off. Okay, now we're going to need to add border hills, like how we have on here, the little border around the map. So let's get to that. All right, we got the border. Border hills looking good. And now let's see what's next. Okay, so now we're gonna add jagged rocks poking out these outer waters. So let's get to that. All right, we got some jagged rocks now. All right, so now the final thing we need to do is just add some shark fins. Um, but honestly, I'm not gonna add the shark fins because I'm gonna do that when we do the scripting. So pretty much the map is now done, besides from scripting. So here's the island map. We can spawn in this bottom ring right here. We run around, hit people, or we rush to the middle. We can parkour our way up here, and then we can now be up here. We have the high ground, whatnot. We can hit people off into the water, and then sharks are gonna be attacking them. So if you're on the outer part, well, you're out of luck. You're gonna die. If you're in the inner part, you do have a small chance of getting back up. We got some structures supporting up this top part. We got some flowers, grass, rocks, you know, everything you'd find on an island, I assume. But yeah, that was going to be it for the video here. I will be releasing another one after I put a poll on my server. If you also want you want me to make a server strictly for devlogs and progression, I will, and then I'll link it down below. But it's up to y'all. Put down the comment. I read them. But yeah, for now, this is the map. Hope y'all liked it, and I'll see y'all next time when I make the next map. So peace out.